So here we are at Intrepid. And so this is the 41 Panacea. Center console. So you got the triple Verado 400s on this. Nice opening in the back. And the Panacea is more the walk-around version without the cuddy cabin. So you have a nice summer kitchen in the aft, cold storage and cooler. You've got tackle drawers there, access down to the seakeeper and mechanical spaces. Up here at the helm, you see nice Garmin displays, beautiful stitching here, bolstered seats, and one single piece window here, very nice. Everything's clearly labeled at Intrepid. So coming through, I'm gonna come over, you're gonna see the high-low table here. Beautiful wraparound seating, nice holds here, flush cleats, access to the windlass area. Beautiful forward-facing seating. And look at this, nice fold-down armrests. So this table is a high-low. It will go recessed down if you want to walk around this area while you're fishing. Here you've got nice storage area and refuse. On the starboard side, you have entry down to your lower cabin. So this is kind of nice. So there you've got a little berth, about a queen size berth. High-low table, that filler cushion goes in there so you could sleep there. Galley on the port side. You have a microwave and your cold storage there. Back here you've got a dedicated head, electric flush toilet, nice wand for the shower, and then access to ship systems there. Starboard side, you do have a nice cedar-lined closet here. So good accommodations if it's a couple for the weekend. Beautiful bolstered area here. And note the large hard top, so you're protected. This does have the sure shade on it, so a retractable awning. The Panacea 41. If you want information on this boat or any other Intrepid, you can get that by going to yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, that's yachtspecsdirect.com.